Installing my brand new graphics card into my gaming PC. First, let's completely shut it down and unplug this abomination of USBs. Oh, look at all the dust that was under my computer. Okay, everything is ready. Let's take the old graphics card out. Unplug the PCIe cable and unscrew its bracket. Look at all the dust on here too, that's nasty. Now just pull it out. Mine decided to get stuck. Okay, there we go. Old graphics card is out. And now for the new graphics card. Slowly slide that in. Make sure I hear the click, there we go, and that's it. Screw the bracket in. Plug in the cables. Graphics card is in. I'm gonna tidy up the cables and then we'll test it out. And for the moment of truth. Okay, everything looks like it's working. So I guess this PC upgrade was a success.